Hello, my cold calling friends. This is Uncle Pete, the Gold Caller, coming to you live from the Gold Call Cave, where I do all my sales prospecting from. Hey, let me ask you a question. Are you having trouble making conversation with your sales prospects? Are you feeling pressure because you don't have enough sales meetings with prospects on your calendar every week? If so, I think you're going to like the Gold Call Script Builder Kit. The Gold Call Script Builder Kit helps you initiate conversation with sales prospects, even the tough ones. The Gold Call Script Builder Kit helps you create and speak the actionable dialogue that it takes to capture the instant attention of sales prospects while putting you in total control of the call. Best of all, the Gold Call Script Builder Kit helps you close a new sales appointment with a prospect to the calendar inside of a 4-minute phone call. Incredible. To prove the effectiveness of the Gold Call script, I've included some personal recorded gold calls of my own with prospects right here below to demonstrate the ease in which that the gold call breaks the ice, starts conversation, and gets a sales appointment to the calendar inside a 4-minute phone call. If you're looking for a smarter and easier way to tackle the toughest job in sales, cold calling, may I suggest you take a look at the Gold Call Script Builder Kit. You can learn more about the Gold Call by visiting us on the web at thegoldcall.com. That's thegoldcall.com for more information. Well, that's it for now. This is Uncle Pete, the Gold Caller, wishing you the best, and until our paths cross again, happy hunting.